Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so today, since we are doing a hood stack on the 98, we have to relocate the air filter. And to relocate the air filter, you have to delete the passenger side battery. And it's not very hard, there's not too much you gotta do for that. So, you gotta delete this battery. There's a bolt right here that you gotta take out. And then there's another one right here. And there's two right here. And there's two down here. You get to those from your freaking fender liner, I think. I just unscrewed it from up top and then the nuts fell down, but I did that like a month ago. I got a new air intake. This will probably just go on the 95 or something after I get a new filter, because this filter is trashed. There's like a freaking hole right there, and I've been running that for a while, and this is freaking disgusting. So I should be able to get a lot more airflow from this one. I'm replacing it with this one. It's gonna be going like that, coming over here. I found this on whatever this is, Powerhouse Racing. I think I ended up paying about 150 after tax and shipping and all that bull crap. This is pretty complex. You should have a certified mechanic to do this for you, because this is unbelievably hard. It's super technical, you know. I mean, people go to school for this kind of stuff. You can't be screwing this up. This is a 8 mil to take this off, and then these are probably an 8 millimeter as well. And then we're gonna slap this puppy on. Yeah, that's basically the install. Like I said, it's super technical. It's a lot of hard work. Best just to have a mechanic that's on for you. It's hard. Alright, that's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you liked the video. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads. Thanks and peace.